How to add the Up Next calendar widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, touch and hold. Then tap on the Edit button. Next, tap on Add Widget. And from here, we scroll down. Then tap on Calendar. Next in here, you can choose a small Up Next size widget, or you have a medium size or a larger size. So swipe across and select a widget size. Then tap on Add Widget, and this will be added to your home screen. You can also drag on the handle here to resize the widget to make it smaller or larger. And after that, tap on the Done button to save the changes. If you would like to make changes to your widget, you can touch and hold on that. And from here, you can choose a different widget size. So that is a smaller size. You can also tap on Add Home Screen or Remove Widget. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.